We've also introduced responsive templates and themes. We've introduced 4 new responsive and modern website templates and themes to get you going, and I'm going to show you those right now. So within Flipper, if you go to a page or a section and click appearance, you will now be able to see these templates that are double column left, double column right, single column, and triple column. Those are new templates that we've created. If you select one of these, you will have to select one of these default style sheets if you want it to look like what I'm about to show. We have this default responsive blue, green, gray, and red. And I'll show you that page real quick. So right now it's set at double column left and blue. So this is what that would look like. Again, they're already responsive, and you can, if you know a CSS, you can go through these and manipulate the CSS to make them look how you want. But again, that's double column left, double column right. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the color on this as well. And I'm going to hit save. And let's just change it to green with a right column. And I'm going to reload this. And there it is right there. Again, these are all already mobile responsive, but we're giving you these templates and themes to get you going and get you started if you are trying to make some changes to your site style wise. And again, that's select the gray. This is a single column layout with gray colors, and I'll go ahead and do the red, and I'll do triple column. Again, it doesn't matter which what left column, right column, single column, triple column that you select. You can pick and choose and mix the colors as well, however you deem necessary. Once I hit that, I'm going to reload again, and now I have a 3-column layout here in red. But again, you can find that under appearance, on the appearance section of a page that you want to get these styles and templates to be applied to. So again, pretty cool. It's already all mobile responsive, and it gives you the ability to build from there. If you want to, if you know CSS, you can take these themes and templates, look at the code, and make adjustments as you need and deem necessary. So again, that's on Flipper Site Developer CMS 6.